How to change your display name and your username on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change the name on the TikTok profile. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first, I want you to go over, launch the TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account and you will see this kind of interface. Tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now if you want to look at the distinction, the one at the very top is your display name and the one right before your profile picture is actually your username. So in order to edit either of these, tap on the edit profile button. Keep in mind that you can only change your name once in every 7 days, and you can only change the username once in every 30 days, which is even limited to the original name. So if you want to change the name, tap on it, enter the new name, and you can see it says you can only change it once every 7 days, which means a week, and tap on the save button on the top right. Once you're sure of that, you can basically come back again and tap on the username, enter the new username. As I said, you can only change username once every 30 days. So you want to make sure to not to add any type of unusual punctualization, capitalization, or anything that you're going to regret later on, and tap on the save button on the top right. Once you've done so, you would have successfully saved your name on TikTok. That's all it takes to change your name on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.